Hi guys, another day, another recipe. Um, I've just started filming this new video of mine, and I'm halfway through the not really halfway, but I'm just started the first sort of like 10 minutes of it, and I've realised I forgot to add an ingredient in. And you know how I always leave that one ingredient? I've done the same thing again, and I don't know what it is with me, but I seem to be forgetting that one ingredient in every recipe. Can you believe it? And it's so frustrating. And I can't kind of take whatever I've already put into a hot pan out. So it's like, what do I do? Do I just add it at the end of the recipe, or do I just say it in like once the ingredients are done and then say, oh, this is what I've done? Because I've kind of like waffled, as you know me, and just continued and then said, oops, I think I forgot, guys, blah 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 blah, what I normally do. Yeah. So I've done that, but yeah, how annoying is that? And I don't understand why I do it. I just can't seem to get why I forget that. And I actually even wrote the recipe down. I wrote the recipe down, but I didn't look at the recipe when I was putting all the ingredients together. So it's my own. It's my own fault. Can't believe that. I'm actually going to change my name to the Forgetful Chef. But anyway, I just thought I'd share that funny moment with you guys. And I'm now making something really special with Ramadan around the corner. Alhamdulillah, I can't wait to share this recipe because this has been on my to-do list for years, and I've had so many requests to do this recipe, and I finally have got the chance to do it on video, and alhamdulillah, I'm so excited because everyone makes these, don't get me wrong. I mean, when you see the recipe and it goes live, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. Everyone makes them, but everyone's got a different way of making them. And I used to, if you don't know this, I used to own my own catering business. I used to run that, and then that was a couple of years back. And this was one of my best sellers there. I used to do a lot of food festivals, and this used to be my best seller. Literally by midday these were gone. So yes, it's my recipe. It's been handed down. I mean, the filling's been handed down from my grandma to my mum and then to me, and now you guys are going to be having this as well. And you can make these in abundance, and you can just store them and just eat them whenever you want. So yes, but yeah, I better get back to cooking. Try not to forget ingredients, and I will catch you again with my little updates very soon. Take care.